What up, YouTube? It's your boy DJ Ron the Mechanic back with another video. So today I'm inside the garage putting some tint on our car that we just got. Yeah, trying to make sure it's straight because you know, hey, down here in Georgia, hey, it gets hot out here. So I'm gonna show y'all what I'm about to do though. So right now you see this is the before right here. I got the windows all cleaned up before I get ready to do my cuts. As you can see, it's all clear right now. Now I started on the back window. I'm not finished just yet though. I got a strip to put back there. Then that'll be finished. But you can see that back window coming out pretty good though. Once I finish that strip, then it'll be good. Then I'll be able to head on and start on these windows right here. Go all the way around. So once I'm finished, I'm gonna come back and show y'all the finished product. So this is the before, and wait till you see the after. That's when it really goes shine then. Alright, I'm gonna holler back at y'all when I finish.
2 hours later.
Alright everybody, y'all ready to see the finished product on the car? Let's go ahead and check it out. There we go. That's it, everybody. It's ready to go now. So far, I got the windows tinted now, and I also fixed these. And you see I got the carbon fiber on those right there. Yep. Gotta put a little shine on it. Little small stuff need to be done. But yep. The tint is done. It is done. I like it with them the carbon fibers I put on there. So yeah. It is looking good, y'all. Alright, so hey, leave a comment. Let me know what y'all think. You know, it took me a little time to get it straight because the windows was extremely dirty at first. So I really had to like clean those real good. So once those got cleaned and dried, I was able to go ahead with the paper put on it, and it turned out pretty good. So okay, so this project is done. So the next project for this car coming up, I'm gonna do a video for that one. I'm waiting on the radio dash kit to come in. So once that come in, then I'm heading on to fix the tunes. Well, think about it. No, I can't, because I'm waiting on the speakers to come in. They won't be in till next week. So, I'll probably still do the radio once the kit come in. So get that out the way, and then when the speakers come, then I can go ahead and put them in, you know, last after that. So I'll probably do the video for the radio once the kit come in. But other than that, hey, the car came out fine. You know, I'm happy with it. Hey, I can't ride with no naked windows, especially when it's hot. I mean, I don't care if I got AC or not. I can't do it. I gotta have some paper on the window. I don't know about y'all, but hey, if you feel like I feel, hey, get that paper on that window, ride cool. So until then, hey, look, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, Hey, this your boy